Hi friends, my name is Bhavya Mangla. I am IATF qualified auditor and doing audit for automotive sector for the last 18 years. I'm again back with a very interesting topic. What is the key difference between planned and unplanned shutdown? So before going further, it's important to understand that what exactly is a shutdown, what is a planned and unplanned shutdown, what are the impacts of unplanned shutdown, what are the key differences between planned and unplanned shutdown, what are the challenges that industry is facing with respect to that. So let me first start with a broad and basic definition about what is a shutdown. So when we talk about a shutdown, it is a condition wherein the manufacturing process has some problem with respect to maybe some time. It could be a few hours or it can be a couple of months depending upon the intensity of that. But when we specifically talk about what is planned shutdown, so the planned shutdown is something which is already scheduled that for this particular time frame we need to do some upgradation of the software or hardware, we need to improve the equipment performance, we need to do something with respect to the maintenance process, we need to improve the inspection process. So everything is anticipated and it helps us to improve the efficiency of the entire process. When we talk about unplanned shutdown, so this is basically we are talking about the unforeseen circumstances or the events which reduces the overall return on investment, which reduces basically the quality of the process, the quality of the product. It enhances the cost as well as the cycle time of the entire process, and it impacts in many things, and that reflects that poor maintenance of the hardware, software, the kind of operator errors that are happening. Sometimes it is also said that when we talk about the downtime cost, it should be considered as the tangible cost as well as the intangible cost, because at times we only focus on the direct cost that is there that we are losing, but not the indirect cost, which is actually much more than the direct cost at times. To give you an example between the planned shutdown and unplanned shutdown, generally, in a city where there is a gas supply or water or electricity supply, sometimes there is an information which is coming that from this time to this time there will not be any electricity or maybe water or maybe the gas. So we all know and we plan ourselves accordingly. So that's a planned shutdown. When we talk about unplanned shutdown, so very common and very recent example is about the COVID related issues. When there are many countries, the government decided to shut down everything instantaneously. It was not like that they will shut down everything maybe a 1 week later or so. So it was all unplanned shutdown, and that created a lot of issues to industry, especially assume that in case there is a molding machine and you are heating the product for a couple of hours, then you have to use it, and all of a sudden you know that now there is a shutdown. So what will happen to that material? And if the shutdown extends say a couple of days or weeks, then you know the kind of problem or challenges that can happen to the machine and to everything, the entire infrastructure get impacted by that. To talk about some of the key challenges that happens in case of unplanned shutdown, so first and the foremost is that we don't realize that the expectation of the customers and the relevant industry parties still remain the same. They are not bothered about your shutdown. Secondly, many times it happens that nobody has the right answer how to deal with this unplanned shutdown, including the top management. And the cost of production increases more, which results also in the low productivity. And it also challenges about the availability of the unskilled manpower, the skilled manpower, because we have not planned anything with respect to that. And overall, if we say broadly, then it results in the breakdown of the entire supply chain, which gets impacted because of that. To talk about some of the key differences between planned and unplanned shutdown. So when we talk about planned shutdown, it's easy to manage because we all were knew that yes, we are going to have this particular shutdown. But when we talk about unplanned shutdown, we all know that we never planned it. It's very difficult to manage. The key objective of planned shutdown is to extend the useful life of the equipment. But when we talk about unplanned shutdown, our intent is just to make sure that the equipment comes back to its normal position so that we can get the desired production. And generally, when the planned shutdown is done effectively, then it enhances the employee satisfaction as well as the morale of the customers. But in case of unplanned shutdown, we all know that how much it impacts the employees' morale as well as the customer satisfaction, because everything gets impacted because of that. When there is a planned shutdown, the cost of maintenance is always low. But in case of unplanned shutdown, the cost is huge. Especially if you think about a chemical plant where there's a certain shutdown, say for a couple of days, you know how much impact it can have to restart the entire plant at that time. Well, when we talk about plant shutdown, it's an opportunity also to see how much we are prepared for the effectiveness of the maintenance process. But when we talk about the unplanned shutdown, that also reflects that how much we were prepared or how much under pressure we are at that time just to manage the show. Since the plant shutdown is done with everything in place, so the return on investment, the cost does not impact much. But in case of unplanned shutdown, yes, it really impacts a lot because we never thought that something like that can happen. In a way, plant shutdown also reflects the effectiveness of our preventive and predictive maintenance process, that how effectively we are doing it regularly. And that also reflects that how inefficiently or ineffectively we are doing the predictive and preventive maintenance, because that has resulted in that unplanned shutdown. During plant shutdown, the availability of raw material as well as the critical spare part is easy because we planned everything. But in case of unplanned shutdown, there is always a shortage of critical spare parts because we never thought about it. In case of plant shutdown, the availability of resources like manpower, equipment is always there. But in case of unplanned shutdown, we are always in scarce about all those things, and we just try to manage the show in any way. In case of plant shutdown, there is no need for any contingency because everything has been planned. But for unplanned maintenance, unplanned shutdown, that's a real test to see that whatever contingency plan that we have made, whether actually it is workable or it is just a piece of paper that we just make to show somebody that yes, we do have a contingency plan. In case of plant shutdown, this does not have any impact on the productivity, cost and delivery because everything has been taken care of. But in case of unplanned shutdown, the QCD, quality, cost and delivery are impacted hugely. So if I talk about some of the key challenges with respect to the planned and unplanned shutdown, so the first and the most important thing is how many organizations actually consider the unplanned shutdown as a cost of poor quality, and it's a key input in the management review to see that how much cost is getting impacted because of unplanned shutdown. Secondly, in the management review input, how often it is there that unplanned shutdown is being given a lot of importance and seen that how many times it has happened that unplanned shutdown has happened. And during our internal audit, how often we see the effectiveness of our maintenance process to verify that whether our predictive and the preventive maintenance is working good or not. And thirdly, and the last most important thing is how often organizations are clear about the routine breakdown and the unplanned shutdown. So if I talk about a summary about the key differences between planned and unplanned shutdown. So when we talk about planned shutdown, it's easy to manage. Actually, it extends the life of the useful life and the efficiency of the equipment. It enhances the employees' happiness as well as the customer satisfaction, and basically it results in low cost of maintenance. But when we talk about unplanned shutdown, it's difficult to manage. And the intent is just to make sure that our instruments come back to the routine working only. And that plays a very important role in employee dissatisfaction as well as the customer morale also. And whenever there is an unplanned shutdown, it results in very high cost of maintenance. Well, my next topic will be the key difference between MTTR and MTBF, mean time to repair and mean time between failure. Regularly, I'm getting a lot of feedback from your side and they're helping me to understand your expectations. So please do continue that. And in case you want to understand about this particular video a little bit in more detail, so if you see the below link, you will click that, you'll find a blog there, and there you'll find in much more detail about this particular video. And in case you are liking these kind of videos as well as blogs, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and my website bhavyamangla.com. Thank you.